Gazebo Harmonic currently supports the ROS to Jazzy distribution and also Humble distribution as in 2025. So we will see the basic demonstration about the Gazebo Harmonic, okay, where I will show you the environment, and also we will spawn a robot inside Gazebo Harmonic and see how it works inside it. This is just a demonstration video so that you can just get the exposure of the new Gazebosim. Because we dealt with the Gazebo Classic, we should also understand how Gazebo Harmonic works. We are inside the Ubuntu 24.04. You can either use 22.04 or else 24.04 for the Gazebo Harmonic distribution. The latest distribution right now is the Jetty for Gazebosim, but we are going with the Gazebo Harmonic because whenever a new distribution comes, it takes some time in order to become stable. So that's the reason. We have to just click on the applications and select the Gazebosim, which is nothing but the harmonic distribution. If we expand it, you can see it's similar to Gazebo Classic. It's not very much different. There are some differences, but if we can just add the shapes, you can see we are able to add the shapes just like we did in Gazebo Classic. We are able to do inside the Gazebo Harmonic as well. That is the thing. Also, if we add some more shapes, we can make it likewise. We can add the spotlight, similar stuff. If we go to the right side panel, you can see there are certain properties for the cylinder, visual properties, collisional properties. For every shape, there are certain properties. If we go to the top right side, we get more options. Okay, these options were not inside the Gazebo Classic. These are some extra add-ons. You can navigate for these options if you want. I will add the documentation of the new Gazebo in the description, so make sure that you check it. Okay, we will exit from the environment. We don't want to save it, so we will just exit it. Now we will launch one launch file which I have made already just for the demonstration purpose. In order to show you guys how it works, I'm going to launch this file. The command is ROS to launch, just like any other launch file. The command will be ROS to launch. Name of the package is my_tiff and my_tiff.launch.py. Okay, after hitting enter, we are able to see the Gazebo environment, and here is our robot, which is a differential drive robot. Okay, the thing is, we get the teleop thing inside this Gazebo itself. Okay, if I choose teleop, I just typed in the top right side and we are able to get the teleop thing so that we can drive the robot. We can choose the topic that we have, CMD well. Okay, advertising CMD well. If I press forward button, the robot is moving forward. You can see that. If I press back button, the robot will come to the back side. The thing is, this particular feature is not available for the Gazebo Classic. Okay, let's stop it. This feature is not available for Gazebo Classic. The thing is, we get separate topics for the Gazebosim, that is the Gazebo Harmonic, and for Gazebo Classic, it is dependent on the ROS thing. Okay, so this is the main difference between the Gazebo Classic and the Gazebo Harmonic, just for the demonstration purpose. Okay, I hope you guys understood the demonstration part and how it works. Likewise, similarly, RVs will also work inside the Ubuntu 24.04 or else the Jazzy version. There is no difference on the RVs part, just the difference was on the Gazebo thing. Okay, and it's almost the similar. There are certain things like topic as we discussed right now. That's the major difference. We will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye.